Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a print-on-demand store with ShopBase. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in shopbase.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to ShopBase if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, on the left side of the screen, we have the home, orders, products, fulfillment, we have the analytics, marketing and sales, contacts, apps, settings, and the online store. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create a print-on-demand store with ShopBase. So if you don't already have an account, sign up for ShopBase account as I told you, and log into your ShopBase admin panel and click create a new store. Follow the prompts to set up your store, including choosing a name and selecting a theme. If you have a custom domain, connect it to your store by going to Online Store, then going to Domain and following the instructions to add and verify your domain. Then use the Print Hub app to add POD products to your store. You can import products from suppliers or use ShopBase built-in catalog. Go to Settings, Payment Providers, and connect your preferred payment method, such as PayPal or Stripe. Configure your shipping settings by going to Settings, then Shipping. Use ShopBase tools to optimize your store for SEO, mobile responsive, and then just need to go and, of course, at the end, just launch your store. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.